Hi everyone, this is Paulo Haddad, and today we are starting a new tutorial in my channel. It's going to be about py-dss-toolkit. This is a Python package that is meant to provide you advanced capabilities to control OpenDSS. This package is not meant to replace the py-dss interface. That is another package that connects to OpenDSS, right? The py-dss-toolkit depends on py-dss interface, but provides you a bunch of functionalities that make it very easy to use OpenDSS. I would say that these two can definitely transform the way you are using OpenDSS. So before I talk about the tutorial, the way we're gonna do it, what we're gonna have on the tutorial, I just wanna ask you guys to subscribe to my channel. Just 40% of you are subscribed. So if you can subscribe, that would be great. I would appreciate. Thanks so much. Now, regarding the tutorial, I'm planning to do maybe 12 or 14 videos, right? And then I'll be releasing every single week, probably on Saturdays. So again, subscribe to my channel so you can follow that. Now, the goal here is to cover py-dss-toolkit. If I go here in my GitHub, you're gonna see the repository, and here we have some examples. And in here I have DSS tools, which are the folder that we have, the content that I'll be covering, but I'll be creating my own scripts and sharing with you later. But here, pretty much, you're gonna talk about how access model data, right? We load OpenDSS, how we can get the lines, the information of transformers, how we can get the number of elements we have. So this is more towards the model itself. We're also going to talk about snapshot simulation and get results, right? We're going to easy get results from snapshot simulation, check if there are violations, check the voltage, the powers. And we're going to also later do for key STS, quasi-static time series simulations. And then we're gonna see how this package can help you with just one line of code. And then finally, we're gonna cover a few visualization capabilities, plotting the voltage profile, plotting the circuit topology, right, with some results. So that's the idea. Again, around 12, 14 videos once a week. And that's gonna be what we're gonna be covering, py-dss-toolkit. And I hope you enjoy it. If you have any suggestion, anything you want to hear more about it, please just send me a message or put that in this comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave the thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.